She's hiding. Tombstone! Silly boy. This is good. He's got to make the choice. Whether he's going to go chase Tempe or come back and work. Just go pay attention to your work. Tombstone.
Just look scared. Well, just look kind of
No. No. Listen. Come on. Come on.
Good boy, buddy.
like stuff over my face.
Yeah, she weighs nothing.
She weighs nothing.
Tombstone! You've gotten it on his feet, haven't you? On Buddy's feet? Yeah, I thought so.
You can get it on his nose if he doesn't quite. He always...
Yeah, I know. I know. Micah does the same thing.
Okay, ignore it, ignore it, ignore it.
Yeah, just let her chew, let her lick, let her do whatever. When she stops, open your hand. If she goes, open that other hand. There you go. Now if she goes after it, close your hand. Alright, now call her back and give her a treat. She ignored it. Give her one. Good. Now if she walks away. Yep, close it. Good. Open the other one. Alright, give her a treat. Good. Yep, keep her working. Keep her working.
Okay. Brooklyn, call her back. Good girl.
Tombstone, you are really distracted. Well, last time he had a private lesson, basically, so...
Brooklyn! Brooklyn!
Your name's not Tombstone.
Tombstone.
He is so distracted.
Here, Marcus, do you want to come over this way? Sit a little bit further away from him. Sit in the chair.
Go work, silly boy. There you go. Yeah, he's not interested in food tonight, is he? Let's see if he's interested in my food. What's that? Hmm? That's good stuff, yeah. Here, try some of mine.
Okay.
Break them up. Hey, buddy. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Alright, place and follow me with him. Yeah, you might have to back up to get him to follow you each time. Brooklyn. There we go. Good boy. Yeah, just walk around in the midst of all the distractions, get him to follow you. Marcus, you want to... Oh, you're going to play with Buddy? Play follow me with Brooklyn. Where's Tempe? Oh, okay. She has decided that that's her pooping spot. Oh, you're welcome.
So good meeting you. I'm really excited to work with you. Is this the best contact number that I have for you? Okay.
It goes straight to my cell phone, which is a 727 exchange, but I've always got it.
Okay, perfect. All right. Well, thank you so much.
You're
We're
welcome.
looking at getting the puppy and not this week.